Atha Yoga Anushasanam. Namaste. Welcome to Unravel the Thread, a podcast for people who want to apply the Yoga Sutras to yoga practice and to life today. Available online at simple-yoga.org, where you can also find dozens of videos for practice, hundreds of articles, videos for chanting, and guided meditations, all free resources to enrich your practice. I am Ruben Vázquez, your companion on this journey of exploration. I am grateful for your comments and questions. It really makes my day to know that Unravel the Thread is making a difference in your practice and in your life. This podcast presents excerpts from the book Unravel the Thread, the complete guide for living the Yoga Sutras today. It also offers practices inspired by the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. If you love the podcast and want to support my work as an independent content creator, on the simple-yoga.org website, you can easily donate to keep the podcast going. Today, we will explore range of motion, action, and awareness. Range of action. In exercise and fitness, there is the concept of range of motion as the totality of movement that can be achieved at a given joint. The belief that more is automatically better is a current trend in many societies. It is not surprising that when we try to practice postures, asana, and movements, vinyasa, in yoga, there is a tendency to immediately go for the greatest amount of movement. In simple yoga, we understand the range of motion as the potential range of healthy movement available, including the minimum as well as the maximum amount of movement. Moreover, because this particular perspective on yoga emphasizes the importance of acting with awareness, the notion of range of motion is expanded to mean the totality of potential range of healthy movement that we can do consciously. Furthermore, to ensure that our yoga practice incorporates all aspects of our being, it seems most useful to replace range of motion with range of action. Range of action encompasses the full range of natural possibilities available to you. We can define range of action as the complete set of possible variations along the many variables involved in healthy activity. For example, if you are learning to swim, it is wise to begin by learning the basics of staying afloat and swimming to safety in an environment you can control. You probably would not try to swim in a competitive pool right away. Gradually, over time, through training, you will develop the physical and cognitive skills to maintain your position and use your arms and legs to control where you go, both on the surface and underwater. Only after you have learned the basics of arm and leg movements would you begin to learn different strokes. As you progress in swimming, you begin to refine your technique and speed. All the while, your breathing capacity will be affected by the frequency and intensity of your swimming sessions. As you deepen your interest in swimming, you will understand the many factors that affect your ability and performance. As you explore a variety of ways to swim, you will develop a greater sensitivity that will enable you to regulate your swimming to focus on intensity, speed, or endurance. These variables are likely to be influenced by your diet, hydration level, ability to focus, and your mood and emotions. Although it may seem like you are just swimming, all aspects of your being, your body, your breathing, your mind, and your lifestyle are involved in this activity. This is an example of how range of action encompasses all the different aspects of you that are involved in the activity. In any field, using your awareness to explore the range of action enriches the experience and enhances your ability to develop nuance in your practice. In yoga, we create a harmonious synergy between our body, breath, mind, and emotions. Through our yoga practice, we access our entire repertoire of attitudes, feelings, thoughts, intentions, breathing, and movement. Whenever possible, we attend to our range of action at every level: emotional, psychological, mental, respiratory, and physical, to become skilled at articulating all our systems seamlessly and respond optimally to our context, needs, and intentions. As a result, yoga becomes a balanced and balancing system that empowers us to show up fully in our lives every day, in every moment. From this perspective, our yoga practice is at the service of our conscious participation in our lives. Knowing your full range of healthy action enables you to choose the practice, duration, and intensity level that works best for you at any given time. If you practice at the end of the day, the practice will likely be different than if you practice at the beginning of the day or during your lunch break at work. As a result, you can participate in life with an open heart and mind in graceful harmony. Range of awareness. We can take the idea of range of action to a deeper level of understanding by expanding the notion to range of awareness, which seems appropriate because the key aspect of yoga and life is awareness. Then it makes sense that all the practices and techniques of yoga can offer us opportunities to explore and expand our awareness. Over the next few days, consider what your range of awareness is along the following dimensions. What is your range of awareness of your sensations, your muscle tone, the general state of contraction of any of your muscles, the action of any of your joints? What is your range of awareness of your breathing, inhalations, exhalations, and pauses, of your emotions and feelings, of your level of attention, of your ability to concentrate? Exploring our range of awareness can serve as a reminder that presence is dynamic. Presence is an ever-evolving journey of exploration that leads us to an ever-expanding integrated awareness. It is often tempting to think of the techniques as the goal of the yoga practice. Often, as we find ourselves trying to improve, trying to master a specific skill, we can investigate how those efforts are increasing our ability to participate with gratitude, compassion, forgiveness, and love in all aspects of our life. Thank you very much for listening. I hope that your exploration this week is enjoyable and that you will join me next week to continue learning more simple and effective techniques. Remember, if you have questions when trying to apply these ideas, do not hesitate to contact me through my website simple-yoga.org. If Unravel the Thread is part of your day and you feel generous, I would appreciate it if you could support my work by subscribing, liking, and sharing. If it is possible for you, you may also support my work by offering a donation at simple-yoga.org. Thank you. Remember that you can have your own copy of Unravel the Thread. Until next time, Namaste.